Good morning from HQ, Sunday the 5th. You all know by now we're going to Charnock Richard at about 100 and something miles, and the Magnificent Seven are away. It's cloudy up this end, but should be okay down the road. So, yeah, squeaky bum time again. Love it. Bring it on. Bring them home. Just get them home. Just get fucking home. More to follow, hopefully. Okie dokie then, game on. Couple little jumpers. The birds are up at 12:30. It's looking okay here. Get the summer house ready in a minute. So 12:30, I'm going to give them 2.5 hours. So we'll start getting twitchy about 3, I think. So, more to follow. So it's 10 to 1 now. Houston, we are go for power up all systems. Please turn on your ignition. Two swing sensors check. 5 birds allocated. Oh, we've got to clear the clock. Five mark, no rings arrived at 14:26. We'll await your instructions, Cape Canaveral. Over and out. Houston, this is the tower. We are in position for the landing. Safe trip. Godspeed. At 2:30. Getting very, very wiggly anxious now. Oh, don't look at me, don't look at me, look away, don't look at me. Schmicka schmecken, Schobert ketten. Call to 3, should be down the front of the Fed by now. And yep, just a waiting game. I would hopefully I'll get a nod. Nod? I'll get a nod when they go in down by Annan. It is a beautifully flat, calm, overcast day and the temperatures are lovely. No excuses, please. I wish to God I had a blood pressure machine on me at the minute, because I'd hate to think my heart rate is. My face is like a Bolshevik. Sorry, time check, that's 5 to 3. And the bloody swallows and jackdaws scooping about aren't helping my heart rate either. Goodness gracious. Guess this is why we do it. 5 to 3. The Cronenberg clock says it's 3 o'clock. Right, come on in. We want to do now 2.5 hours for someone in the Legion or whatever it is. 110 plus the dog legs, 130, 140 miles. 2.5 hours would be spiffing. I tell you what though, I'm choking on a beer. I'm choking on a beer. 3:15. Goodness. Right, I'm putting you on now to try and gee up some luck. Get some juju going here. Get the karma flowing. Come on. 3:15. 3:30. We need a dropper. They're in the Annan 45 minutes ago, so we need some encouragement here. Come on, a dropper. Come on.
Come on, boy. Come on then. Come on.
Madj's Lone Ranger.
Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, son.
Does like to turn up for his mommy. Hope he's not going for a drink.
Come on. Come on, Ed.
Oh God. No, it's not so bad. He's having a wee drink in the roof, so that's better. Good old Madj. Sent one, got one. He's a wee bit thirsty. Need a try of that, boy.
I got a peanut. You can have a peanut. Are you tired? Well, I'll put them in your wee bowl. There's a wee peanut for you. There's a peanut for you, big boy. Oh, you're a clever boy, aren't you? Clever boy. Have you got a wee lump above that eye? Have you got a wee sore eye, son? Why's you got a sore eye? Or have you been pecked? Good boy.
I think the old Lone Ranger's gonna pop in and see his good lady now. And Madj is gonna win the TTR.
I bet I'm this week. Woo!
4:15. My Delilah. Well, to be fair, I could do a bird right now, that would really piss her off. Fucking Lone Ranger's been sitting up there for 15 minutes and mine just come in and you'd be absolutely fucking furious.
Hello? The Lone Ranger dropped as soon as you came off the phone. No.
Has he fucked?
No. I bet him. I bet him. No. I'm not bothered about the club. I'm not going. I've got him home is what I wanted.
Fucking twat.
He's away in and everything. There's a pigeon up there, Jeff.
A woody.
That is not Woody.
Fucking is a woody, I can see its white lines.
No, I just looked up after you, when you were on the phone to Jip. You came off the phone to him and I looked up and he heard me exhale. I was like, oh my God, he was just sitting on the flight.
Oh, that's brilliant, that's brilliant.
But that's him done.
Start to get them now then.
What do you mean that's him done?
He's not in next week.
He was posted.
Aye, ta.
Oh well, Madj has gone in the house, but so Madj is cocking out that she's got a Lone Ranger. I'm sitting here with hee-haw after, well, it's 4:30 now, you do the maths, and a so right, total transparency racing at 6:15, I don't have a feather. And as Willie rightly pointed out to Her Majesty, well, you're the only fucker in the club who's going to have 100% returns today. So the Majesty's had a fantastic day. The Lone Ranger's having a snooze in his nest box, and others are getting birds, I'm afraid, and I'm not. I think I've just got a strag coming there. I thought I'd one of my bars coming in there, but I've got birds sitting up in the telegraph pole. So yeah, that's what it is. This will be a short Sunday shift, not for 7 at Charnock, Richard, but I myself will be here for another couple of hours anyway. We will see the dusk. So I just came in the shed 2 minutes ago, about 6:30, and I just noticed that Poster Boy's home, woo, 990's home, and as I come back out to film this, I noticed that the 35746 paired to the Ruby Red, unregistered as yet. He is also home. So there we go. Poster Boy and 35746. We have 2 out of 7.
Turns out the Massive are still in the race. Well done, poster boy. Daddy very, very proud.